Okay, let's do the first one together. We're asked to find any horizontal or oblique asymptotes. So for horizontal and oblique, the first thing we need to know is whether it's proper or improper. So we see that the degree of the numerator is 2, the degree of the denominator is 2. That means this function is improper and equal. When it's improper and equal, we know that we have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. The only time we have an oblique asymptote is if the degree of the numerator is 1 more than the degree of the denominator. So that tells me that there is none. Why don't you find any asymptotes for question 2? You found that the degree of the numerator is 5, the degree of the denominator is 3. This is improper, but it's not 1 more. So it's no horizontal asymptote is none. Oblique asymptote is also none. In question 3, we see that the degree of the numerator is 1, the degree of the denominator is 4. This function is proper. That means it has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. There are no oblique asymptotes. Question 4, the degree of the numerator is 3, the degree of the denominator is 2. We see that this is improper, and the degree of the numerator is 1 more. So we're going to have no horizontal asymptote, but we're going to need to use long division to find our oblique asymptote. We're also going to have to open the brackets in the numerator. You found the oblique asymptote is the equation y equals 3x plus 12. As always, at the end of these notes, there are review questions. These are great questions. They would always show up on your test or your final exam. And of course, the solutions are posted on the class Moodle page.